Every industry has their own disruptive set of trends. Food and beverage is no different. Regulatory impacts are really being felt right now, combined with traceability and advances in technology, right? So we've got sort of two disruptive trends that are converging. Governments are looking for much more robust end-to-end traceability, and traceability all the way back to the supplier. And so the ecosystem for an ERP implementation and for a transformation project is much larger than the four walls. So it's supply chain agility, it's supply chain traceability, which is really upending how things are being approached, combined with the Food Safety Modernization Act in the United States. Recently went into effect, and we see many of our clients that are in compliance, but they're in compliance with a set of binders that's not scalable. And the regulations are going to continue to get tighter in terms of time to recall and those types of things. In a nutshell, the drivers of food and beverage are focusing on quality, traceability, regulatory, combined with some unique things associated with the formulas, catch weights, and a number of unique functional drivers in food and beverage that are really different than other industries. So it's really important for food and beverage companies to focus in on not just the software requirements, but also the regulatory requirements.